Hi Stampin' friends, I've got a quick as a bunny video for you this morning. I'm just showing you a couple of things with the Stamparatus. Because I went to CentreStage, add-on stage, I got this Stamping Your Way to the Top stamp set for free. And it has a lot of things that maybe only demonstrators would use, but also things like Happy Stampin' Mail, Happy Stampin', that kind of thing, way better than a text, that you might want to put on the back of your cards. So I decided to do that for my Christmas cards. I just arranged it. I put the envelope in the Stamparatus, arranged Happy Mail, and then way better than a text on there, and it works so simply to just put it on there, put the arm of your Stamparatus down on top of it, pick it up, ink it, and stamp it. And I think that people will enjoy just a little extra something on the back of their Christmas cards, birthday cards, pretty much every card I send, and that's really a quick and simple thing to do. That is a demonstrator exclusive, so if you need to sign up to be a demonstrator, just let me know, because I'm always happy to add more to my team. One other quick tip that I have for you today is sometimes when you have to fussy cut, which does happen occasionally, we have a lot of framelits, but occasionally we have to fussy cut, and you leave just a tiny bit of white on the edge. I'm hoping you can see that. Just a tiny bit of white on the edge that you've tried to cut and you've just done your best and it's still there. Just use your blends to just cover up the white, and it's much faster than trying to get it smooth with scissors. Anyway, that's the tips I have for you today, and happy stamping! Bye, friends!